In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rectangles, frames, and lock items in your Miro board. We'll start by heading over to Miro.com where you can log in to access your boards. You can sign in using your email or Google account, and if you choose to continue with email, you're just a step away from diving into your projects. Once you're logged in, locate your specific board and click on it to open. On the left side of the screen, you'll find various tools including the shapes and lines icon. Clicking on this will allow you to select and set a square, or any shape of your choice onto your board. With the shape placed, you can add a sticky note inside it. Sticky notes are great for jotting down ideas or reminders directly within your figure. However, it's worth noting that if you move the square by dragging it, the sticky note will not move along with it. This can be a bit cumbersome if you're looking to rearrange your elements as a cohesive unit. To solve this, we introduce frames. On the left side, there's an option to add frames to your board. Frames are essentially like digital containers. Whatever you place inside them moves together. Go ahead and add a frame to your board. Once it's there, place a sticky note inside this frame. Now when you move the frame by dragging it, you'll notice that the sticky note moves along. This functionality is incredibly handy for organizing your content seamlessly. Next, let's add a layer of stability to your elements. Click on your frame to highlight it and then select the lock option. This feature prevents the frame from being moved accidentally, keeping your layout secure. Once locked, you can no longer move the frame around, which is excellent for maintaining your board's intended design. This is particularly helpful when you've spent considerable effort aligning everything perfectly and don't want anything to shift out of place inadvertently. You should follow the same locking process with other objects to ensure they stay put. Whether it's other shapes, sticky notes, or even additional frames, locking them in place gives you peace of mind as you work on enhancing your board's structure. This tool helps avoid unintentional adjustments and maintains your board's clarity and organization. By using these features, you'll enhance your ability to organize information visually on your Miro board effectively. Frames help keep related content together, while locking them safeguards your setup. Now you're ready to create an even more organized and efficient workspace in Miro. Happy designing, and thank you for joining me in today's tutorial.